This problem comes from the Practice and Skills Workbook, page 115, problem number 3. Solve. Jasmine bought 7 yards of fabric. The total cost was $45.43. What was the average cost per yard of fabric she bought? So let's take a look at the very last part right here. It says the average cost per yard of fabric. So cost, so that would be money per yard. And remember that we can write that as a fraction. So we can write that as money over yards. So I'm going to take the numbers that they gave us. The total cost was $45 and 43 cents. And I'm going to write that over our 7 yards. So we need to divide these two numbers. So let's go ahead, let's divide the two numbers. So let's set that up. Let's do the division on the paper. Okay, our decimal goes right here. 7 goes into 45 6 times. Subtract, we get a 3, we get a 4 right here. Looks like it's going to go in 4 times. We get a 28. Okay, subtract. And it looks like we're going to get a 63. And then 7 times 9, we'll get a 63. And that's a good thing because that gets us a 0. Put a 0 down here. Alright, so we're looking at our number $6.49. Write down $6.49 over 1 yard. And the question says, what was the average cost per yard of fabric she bought? So we could write it like this with the $6.49 over 1 yard, or you can also write it as $6.49 per yard. So either one's okay and either one will work on this particular problem.